My name's James Meehan. I'm a VRS supervisor at R&W Civil Engineering.
Melvin Snook, VRS contracts manager for R&W Civil Engineering.
My name is Philippos Papadopoulos and I'm a VRS General Foreman.
On Tuesday the 24th of April, I went to work as usual. We were working in Swindon that day, putting in a VRS system near to a retail park.
The day began, we met up at the parking lot. We had a daily briefing, which is standard. Everyone got their instructions. They were alert to every services, the live traffic, everything that's to keep us safe, and everything that we had to do on the day and how we were about to do it. The plan was to go ahead, and I was scanning every location. Behind me immediately were the two guys that were doing the trial holes, and then behind that was actually driving the posts into the ground.
I was working with my colleague. We were driving VRS posts into the ground with the use of the barrier rig.
Me and my line manager Melvin, we said we're going to stop, let's call it for lunch. And so did the guys that were doing the trial holes.
We'd moved ahead of the works that we completed so far. Unfortunately, we moved ahead of the work area that had been CAT scanned to put in a post for lining in the posts running up to it. We set up the rig, put the feet down, pulled the hammer out of the side, put the post into the location on the ground. I engaged the hammer on the truck and started to hammer the post into the ground in the position that had been chosen. The post, as it was going into the ground, seemed to stop on an unidentified object in the ground.
When we came down from having the coffee after about 20 minutes, half an hour, there were some people there from Swindon Borough Council and doing some site visit. They didn't want to come to our site, but they asked me if I'd had a cable strike.
There was no visible signs of any electrical strikes that day.
I've got to be honest, I got a little bit emotional at that stage on the fact that the size of the cable, the 11 kVA, I was surprised, and I said to him that I'm even having this conversation with you.
Yeah, I had a friend die in Greece when I was working. He hit a cable strike. He raised the back of the truck and it touched the cables. So I'm lucky that I have two colleagues and friends alive. That's the, I don't know, I was scared.
Luckily for us, there was no arcing of the electric, no electrocution, no burns, and no deaths on site that day. I think it could have been avoided had you followed correct procedures to the point. I have a partner, 3 children, 1 grandchild and 1 grandchild about to be born. There was 2 of us working there that day, and both of us could have been electrocuted quite easily in such a high voltage cable. It's upsetting to think something could have happened that quickly and that easily that could have ended my life and ruined so many others.
Read your method statements, stick to your method statements. Don't rush jobs. If you don't feel it's right, stop, ask, and don't deviate.
To think something could have happened that quickly and that easily that could have ended my life and ruined so many others.
I'm lucky that I have 2 colleagues and friends alive.
Stop, ask, and don't deviate.